I thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. I'm just going to take a casual look at some of the new and upcoming technology. I like to keep an eye on things like this as it becomes more mainstream and how it may impact us as users of computers as well as developers with the new types of APIs and software platforms that will become available to developers. It is very interesting what's going on right now with these new AI-based chipsets. And so I pulled up some different articles here, which I'll include links to them in the video description. Starting with the Microsoft CoPilot Plus PCs. That is like a new platform that's been recently announced. And I also pulled up a page from Dell so that we can do a little bit of shopping and take a look at what the prices are and some of the features of these new PCs or laptops or devices. So what does Microsoft have to say here? It was just a little over a month ago. They're talking about introducing the CoPilot Plus PC platform. And so here there is a video that you can watch also where it's about an hour long, and they talk about a lot of different aspects of this CoPilot Plus PC platform. So here they're mentioning that these CoPilot Plus PCs are the fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs ever built, with powerful new silicon capable of an incredible 40 plus tops, that's trillion operations per second, all-day battery life, and access to the most advanced AI models. These CoPilot PCs will enable you to do things that you can't do on any other PC. They go on to mention here, starting on June 18th, they would be available starting at $999. And the first wave of CoPilot Plus PCs really is just the beginning, as it's been through technology over the years. When something just gets started and then becomes more and more powerful really in a short amount of time, it really looks like that is what will be happening here in this space of hardware and software and AI put together. So they mention over the past year they've seen an incredible pace of innovation of AI in the cloud with CoPilot, allowing us to do things that we never dreamed possible. And they've begun a new chapter with AI innovation on the device itself. They've completely reimagined the entirety of the PC, from silicon to the operating system, to the application layer, to the cloud, with AI at the center, making the most significant change to the Windows platform in decades. So here they're talking about the NPU. And there's been a lot of announcements and different companies that are getting involved in this space of NPUs, neural processing units, and infusing AI hardware into computers and systems and software. They're connected to and enhanced by the large language models and small language models running in their Azure cloud as well as on devices themselves. So here they mention the small language models, that they can achieve these performances that have never been seen before. They're up to 20 times more powerful and 100 times as efficient for running AI workloads and delivering industry-leading AI acceleration. So this page goes on to talk about some of the features that are currently available. The recall feature, which a lot of people have been talking about that, and how AI is running on your local machine all the time using these NPUs and watching and keeping track of what you're doing and saving it into like a new indexing system that makes it a lot faster and easier for it to understand what you've been doing and helping you to find information and do a lot of other very interesting things. Then they have here the AI powered image creation and editing that's built into Windows. They call it the image creator, And already they say 10 billion images have been generated. They mention Adobe and how they're working with them and how their flagship apps are coming to the CoPilot Plus PCs like Photoshop, Lightroom, and Express. The DaVinci Resolve Studio effortlessly apply visual effects to objects and people using the NPU accelerated magic mask. So again, the NPU has now become a third processor or main processor inside of a computer system. We have the CPU, central processing unit, the GPU for your graphics processing, and now the NPU that is integrated right on these systems for processing AI information. Then they mention CapCut, helping remove backgrounds from video clips using auto cutout running on the NPU in CapCut. So this software has already been optimized to use the AI Infused technology in these machines. And they go on in this article to mention several other ways that are utilizing this new NPU technology. New and enhanced Windows Studio effects, and having CoPilot, your everyday AI companion, right at your fingertips. Here they mention every CoPilot Plus PC comes with your personal powerful AI agent, and it's just a single tap away on keyboards with the new CoPilot key. So they even have a key on the keyboard that you can press to start up this experience. They do mention here that they've been working with their top OEMs, Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Samsung. And we will look at some of the prices here in just a moment of these new devices. And at the bottom of this article, there are links to the individual companies if you're interested to see the prices and availability of the hardware. Here they're talking about beginning your testing for commercial deployment. CoPilot Plus PCs offer businesses the most performant Windows 11 devices with unique AI capabilities to unlock productivity, improve collaboration, and drive efficiency. And there is a depiction of a NPU, neural processing unit. They go on to mention the Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus processors. Well, let's go to a different page here on the Microsoft website, and I will include a link to this also. There's a link to the video that I mentioned. You can click on that and you'll be able to watch the video that they talk about all this in a lot more detail. So here there's 4 areas: powerful AI features, explore CoPilot and PCs or CoPilot Plus PCs, the NPU. And there's also an ebook, which I'm going to show that just for a moment, that you can download and read, that has a little bit more information in it. As they mention here, everything starts with an NPU. So as the future goes on, it seems like these will be in every device, every new computing device, since AI is very popular. And if we keep scrolling down here, there is a link to the ebook, and I will include a link to that. This is actually the ebook here, and I scrolled down to page 5 just to look at the hardware aspect of this, the powerful performance of these new NPUs. So they mention here CPUs and GPUs have served their conventional PCs effectively. Microsoft has added an NPU, neural processing unit, to every CoPilot Plus PC device. It's a specialized processor specifically designed for AI acceleration. Unlike CPUs and GPUs, these NPUs are optimized for complex mathematical and data processes, making them ideal for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and other AI related functionality. Devices with these NPUs offer 40 plus TOPS, more powerful AI experiences, as well as better overall efficiency and performance. And in that video, they do go into some more details and testing of these devices to show you how fast they are. So thanks to this new turbocharged NPU, you can enjoy new AI experiences and accelerated performance without slowing down your PC. They talk about the recall and video calls, filtering, and just taking the load off the main CPU. So the NPU also improves your energy efficiency and helps extend battery life. And I think this is pretty interesting, this statement right here. Think of the NPU as a symbol of the new AI era. It offers an unmatched experience with lightning speed, smooth performance, and richer AI experiences. So we'll be hearing a lot more about these NPUs as the days and weeks and months go by. Well, let's take a look at some of the Dell information and look at some of the prices of these new devices. So here I'm on the Dell blog, and they're just talking about being excited about the future of PCs and the new transformative AI experiences will bring enhanced productivity and efficiency to the hands of consumers and professionals alike. Those with an AI PC will never look back, and everyone will want to be part of the action, and Dell is there to lead the way. So they go on to explain here how they're expanding their portfolio of AI PCs and workstations with the introduction of the most CoPilot Plus PCs powered by Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus processors. A brand new class of devices transforms your AI PC experience with extraordinary performance and battery life, up-level productivity, and powerful security. And they go on to mention their new laptops. There's 5: the XPS 13, Inspiron 14 Plus, Inspiron 14, Latitude 7455, and the Latitude 5455. And they go on to just explain some of the features and productivity benefits you can gain by using these new devices. They claim here new AI experiences means more time back in your day, so get more work done in less time. Their final words: the AI PCs have dominated the headlines in 2024 with the introduction of the NPU. Let's go on to the next page here. This is the front end page where you can shop for these new computers or devices. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the devices they have for sale here and what they cost at the current time. Welcome to Generation AI. CoPilot Plus PC. Get your time back. Turbocharged NPUs. Performance, power efficient, intelligent security, and the Windows Copilot key with instant access to your personal AI assistant with the simple touch of a button. So let's go ahead and take a look at their website to see real quick like the prices of these devices. So the XPS 13 laptop starts at $1299, has Windows 11 Home or Pro, shows the Qualcomm GPU, up to 64 gigs of memory, 2 terabytes storage, display 13.4 inch, and the Snapdragon X Elite. The Inspiron 14 Plus is $1,099, and the Latitude 7455 $1,759. Let's go ahead and customize that and see what the options are. This has 10 cores, so let's go ahead and pick the 12 core model up to 3.4 gigahertz, dual core boost up to 4 gigahertz, a 45 tops NPU. Operating system, we'll go ahead and select 32 gigs of memory. We'll upgrade to the 1 terabyte hard drive, and that comes up to $2,181 US. Looks like they have 13, 14, and 16-inch models. And let's go ahead and max this out. $2,369. Well, I think that's going to wrap up this quick video. Just wanted to talk about this new and upcoming technology that's coming out from many different companies and these new NPUs. I think we'll be hearing a lot more about this in the near future and distant future as things continue to expand and grow in new directions that we don't even anticipate at this point. I appreciate you stopping by to check out a video, and I hope you learned something, and I will include links to these pages in case you want to read more yourself. Have a great day.
If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.